Today we're going to be making some kind of coral reef type sculptures out of the scrap papers from the prints that we made. So to do that, you're going to find a little scrap piece and you are going to cut from like the crazy side. So the flat part should be up at the top. You're going to cut some fringe. So you want to cut lines that are pretty close to each other, and you don't want to cut all the way through. You want to leave a little part of your paper attached at the bottom. If you want to draw yourself kind of a line, that's kind of my no cut line. So I'm going to cut to that line, but I don't want to go past it. I want to leave about a finger's width of space left to be able to attach my sculpture at the end. So there's no like precise measurement. You're just kind of cutting little lines into this piece of paper that you have. You could do them really close together and skinny. You could space them out. Typically, if they're really, really big, they don't kind of fringe quite as well. So just take your time and do as many little cuts as you can into your paper. Once you have cut kind of all the way down your paper, then it's time to bend it together. If you have some black or purple on yours, you can decide if you'd like it to be on the outside, or you could wrap it so that it's on the inside. It really doesn't matter. And then how tight you wrap it is also up to you. It could just be wrapped like and overlapped a little bit, and it could be a very kind of large piece. You could wrap it kind of several times to get it to be a little bit smaller. We do want some variety, so I would say try not to make them all the exact same. We want to have kind of some that are bigger, some that are smaller, so we can kind of piece them together and stack them kind of inside of each other. So once you have that fringe cut, then you'll just take a little bit of glue stick and spread some kind of just on one spot of the paper where you have not cut it. And then you just kind of roll it up to your desired size. And then please make sure you kind of press and hold this down for a couple of seconds, maybe like 10 to 20 seconds, just to make sure that it really is secure and it's not gonna pop off later. And then once you've held it for a few seconds, some kids take their finger and kind of bend them back. Some kids kind of do like an accordion fold and have them look a little bit crazier. So you can kind of decide if you want to fold them or if you want to leave them kind of curled. Some kids take a pencil and you can kind of like wrap it around that to kind of curl them up too. So really you can kind of do it any way you want to. And then you'll make as many as you can, and we'll just kind of collect them into a big box, and they will all be used in the glow gallery to add some more kind of fun whimsy to our glow gallery.